Alright folks, me and Jacqueline, we're just down at the waterfront in Vevey. We're just going to go and see the Nestlé Museum. One of my previous videos I mentioned that it was, I mentioned the name of it but I didn't know, it's a weird name, but I didn't realise that was the Nestlé Museum. Why didn't I just call it Nestlé Museum? I don't know, but anyway, we were going to go to Fjord. Or Ivor, sorry, I think I'm pronouncing that right. But I had a look at it and it was a wee bit late in the day, and I thought, you know what, just leave it, we'll have a wee day in Vevey. So we went up and we saw the Charlie Chaplin Museum. If you look through my channel you'll see the videos of that. So now we're just heading down to the museum, and there's the fork in the water, which is in a previous video with the Charlie Chaplin statue. Jacqueline's not been up close to it yet. You alright, Hannah? Hang on 2 seconds. Aye, I'll leave just Phil and Jacqueline there. You alright, Hannah?
Aye, alright.
Aye. So, once again, a wee quick look at the Lake Geneva. Look at the colour of that water, it's a lovely colour. I read a thing about it, about why it's that kind of colour, and it's something to do with the mountains, I think, and minerals and stuff like that. But it is absolutely stunning. I mean, I'll just show you it again. And along the front of Vevey, it's really wheelchair friendly, I think. Jacqueline doesn't think the rest of it is, but I think it was fairly wheelchair friendly. I should say it's a really hot day, and you probably noticed Jacqueline's got my jacket in the back there. It's just in case, because last night it was raining, so I always kind of keep a jacket with us just in case, so I can throw it on her. It's always handy to have. Better to have it than not. Aye. What was that? Singing?
You can do it.
Can you stop over there?
You can do it.
Aye, so I can throw it on, she's saying. Aye, so she can throw it on. Right, Jacqueline, this way. Right. Over here's the fork. I've done this in a previous video, but we're on our way to that museum that's along here anyway, so I may as well show you again, just in case you haven't seen it. There's the wee chairs on the rocks. I really like that. That's a great idea. I think every beach or seafront or whatever, lakefront should have it. The Alimentarium, that's it there, that's the Nestlé Museum. Alimentarium, I think that's the right pronunciation. And a couple of statues here. And you can just see it poking out there, the fork. There's 3 more chairs there. Great to sit there. I've done that for a wee bit, just sat there and seen it. And there's the fork. That is a tourist hotspot. There's a Charlie Chaplin statue. Jacqueline. Right, I'll stop it there folks, but I'd just like to say thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, it really helps me out. Thank you very much, and bye bye.